Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Passion by Travel, where we create explicitly to promote traveling. These hacks are for those who wish to travel and explore. For the past few years we have done many travels, so let's get on to the video. Travel hack number 1 is to keep digital copies of your documents. You need to keep digital copies of your documents like passport, tickets, insurance and other documents in case of any mishaps. The easiest way is to scan them and take printouts of them, or you can just screenshot them on your phone. That's easy. The second hack is to go private browsing before booking a flight. You should go private browsing before booking a flight because many websites and apps have cookies. So the third hack. Okay. The third hack. Oh my god, this is getting really bad because it's really hard. The third hack is you should download flight board because you don't have to look at your screens anymore. You can be on your phone like chatting with your friends, and when your flight's gonna board like after 5 minutes, it can just give you a little ting ting and go. The fourth hack is to use offline Google Maps because in many countries you cannot speak the language and they're like, oh, they're like, what the hell? So that's why you can download offline maps so they can tell you where to go. Sorry, I had to sit down for some reason. So the last and the least hack, what the hell? The last hack is you should keep an empty water bottle because most airplanes don't allow liquids. So like when you keep an empty water bottle, you can just put it in the plane. Ding! Subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon and comment to do more stuff because the next video is coming up. It's a surprise. And please like, share and subscribe. Bye, and do subscribe to my channel.